Everybody always asks, what is the least amount of money? What is the least amount of time I can put in? Well, here I'm going to answer you. What's up, Tim Sykes, millionaire mentor and trader here answering your questions. A lot of people ask me, what is the least amount of money that you can start with? What is the least amount of time that you can put in to learn this stuff? You can be totally broke and learn, okay? I have thousands of videos now on YouTube. To start trading, I use E-Trade and Interactive Brokers. E-Trade's minimum, I believe, is $500. Interactive Brokers, call them. It's different minimums for different countries, but I suggest you talk with these brokers, okay? I'm not a broker. I don't care what broker you go to. I have no deals with E-Trade or Interactive Brokers. Brokers don't like me because I teach people not to trade that much. I teach people to wait for the best plays. How much time should you put in? What's the least amount of time? Well, it should be, what is the most amount of time that you can, basically donate to this strategy, to this endeavor? How much time can you put in and how quickly will you learn? A lot of people say, oh, I'm going to put in all this time. They're watching video lessons, but they're like half-assing it. They're not really paying attention and they don't learn. So how little time can you put in to learn everything? And that's up to you. I'm not in control of how much you study. I'm not in control of how fast you learn. You're in control of that. I'm just here to teach you everything that I've learned over the past 20 years. You could ignore it. You can say Tim's full of crap and go against me. That's totally up to you. I'm just going to teach you how I've made $5 million, how I've created 5 millionaire students, how I have more and more students, coming up with 6 figures. I'm up 6 figures pretty much every year. No trade is guaranteed. No profit is guaranteed. I'm praying for a stock market crash so that I have time to catch up. I'm sorry if you guys message me. I'm sorry that I have imposters. Click the link just below this video if you want to apply to be my student. I'm a little overwhelmed right now. You actually have to go through a whole process, talk with my team, do an interview, and prove yourself. If you're going to become my student, what is the price to become a student? We have so many different options. We make it work for you. You just have to have the right perspective and you have to take it seriously. The more seriously you take your education, the better you will do. The better you will do, the better I look. The better I look, the more testimonials I get, the happier I am because I want you to be successful. You becoming successful makes me successful as a teacher. And this is why I have so many successful students. So we all play a part, but you need to have the right mindset. This is not just about hot stock picks. It's not like, oh, I'm not going to study at all, Tim. Just give me a hot stock pick and that's it, and I'll be your next millionaire student. No, all of my top students make thousands of trades. 1,000 here, 2,000 there. Sometimes they lose. So you need to learn the process. And it's not about how much you start with, too. Some people say, oh, I'm going to start with $100,000. Start smaller, because most students make nothing the first few months. Most traders lose. 90% of traders lose. My top student, Tim Sykes, might have made over $7 million now, but he made nothing his first 9 months. He lived at home with his parents, and he was focused on studying. So, I don't know where you live, I don't care. I have students in over 100 countries now. You can learn everything online. But you need to understand that this is a strategy that I'm teaching you. Rules, patterns, and you have to learn this stuff because no one stock matters, no hot sector matters. Learn what creates hot stocks, what creates hot sectors, how can you profit off of it, what kind of account can you have, what's the right broker for you. There's tons of different brokers. I personally use E-Trade and Interactive Brokers. I know there's a broker called Robinhood. It offers 0 commissions. You also lose a ton on shitty executions. They don't have short selling. They don't have after hours trading. You lose more by being cheap. It's very similar with my stuff. If you don't use this software, stockstotrade.com, you will probably do worse because a lot of people don't want to invest in data. They're like, oh, I'll just use crappy data. And it costs you more money in missed opportunities. It costs you more money in losses because your data is shit. Or maybe you don't have the best scans, so you're missing some of the hottest stocks every day. Invest in Stocks to Trade. I'm going to post a link just below this video. Invest in your education, time-wise, money-wise, and the good news is this isn't rocket science. It's not going to take you decades to learn. And there's no huge money to invest in this. You're not going to go into student loan debt. If you get everything I have, it's only a few $1,000s. And the upside potential, obviously 6 or 7 figures. So you do the math. You take it as seriously as you want. I can't control how dedicated you will be. I will tell you, the more dedicated, the better your odds of success. Almost all of my top millionaire students are from the Midwest. Why is that? Because I think there's nothing to do in the Midwest, so they study more. That's the only thing that I've learned. But I teach people everywhere. It just depends on you and your dedication and the market. You might be dedicated, but there's no hot plays. Understand, it goes in and out with penny stocks. There's not always a great trade every day. So leave a comment underneath this video. Let me know if you're going to be dedicated. Let me know if what I'm saying to you makes sense, and I'll teach you, and I'll try to change your life just as the stock market, and specifically penny stocks, has changed my life and my family's life. Hey, Tim Sykes, millionaire mentor and trader. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope that they help you. I want to share everything that I've learned over the years. You can check out more videos right over there, and also click subscribe so that you can watch all of these videos, get that knowledge, and become my next millionaire student.